Welcome to the Funeral Program site. This course is here to help guide you through creating a funeral program at home, step by step, at your own pace. You don't need to know anything ahead of time. We'll walk through each part together. Most families don't realize how many decisions they'll be asked to make during one of the most emotional moments of their lives. If you're here, you're likely trying to understand something new while carrying a lot already. This video is here to gently explain one of those pieces, the funeral program, so you can move forward with a little more clarity and confidence. What a funeral program is. A funeral program is a printed or digital guide that's shared during a funeral or memorial service. At its most basic level, it helps attendees follow along with the service. But it's much more than that. For many families, the funeral program becomes a keepsake. It's something people tuck away, revisit later, and sometimes keep for years. It holds not just information, but memory. What a funeral program usually includes. Most funeral programs include a few key elements: the name of the person being remembered, dates of birth and passing, the order of service, poems, prayers, or readings, and often a photograph or short life tribute. Not every program includes everything, and that's okay. There is no single right way to create one. What matters most is that it reflects the person and the service. Why funeral programs matter. In the moment, a funeral program helps guide people through what's happening. But afterward, it becomes something else entirely. For many families, it's one of the few tangible items left from the service. It captures a moment in time, a name, a photo, words that mattered. That's why creating a funeral program can feel overwhelming. You're not just making a document, you're creating something meaningful. Physical versus digital programs. Today, families can choose between printed programs, digital programs, or a combination of both. Printed programs offer something people can hold and keep. Digital programs are easy to share and helpful when attendance is limited. Neither option is better than the other. Many families choose both, and we'll talk more about that later in this course. If you're feeling unsure right now, that's completely normal. Most people create a funeral program only once or twice in their lifetime. There's no expectation that you already know how. This course will take you through each step slowly and clearly, from choosing a template, to editing it, to printing it at home. If listening feels easier than watching, we also share these conversations as a podcast on Spotify, so you can take this guidance with you when you need it. When you're ready, continue on to the next lesson. We'll walk through the different types of funeral program layouts and how to choose the one that best fits your service.